Sun salutation. Ready? Big belly breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I shape a circle. I like the way you're saying the words. I like the way you're saying the words. Then one more. Breathe in. Breathe out. I fold in half. And touch the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, you're going to stretch your neck out. Legs as straight as you can. Slight bend if you want. Don't repeat the last one. Stretch your neck. You're going to start drumming. Here come the horses. You're drumming, you're drumming. Here come the horses. Put your hands on your knees. Stretch your neck out. Big belly breath in. And everybody go, nay! Nice. Ready? I kick my feet back. And drop right away. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, good. I pull myself forward. And let out a hiss. So now you're going to breathe in with your belly. Try to get your belly to touch the ground. And now when you breathe out, let me hear you hiss go. Nice. I lift my bottom to the sky. Like a doggy like this. By the way, if your calves are tight, I always cuddle my feet out like this. Good. Breathe in. Everybody go whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, cool. I drop to my knees. And breathe dragon's fire. So this is where you do. First of all, you stick out your dragon tongue, and then you pull it in. Do I want you to put it down, or do I want you to pull your dragon tongue in? Good. Now you stick out your dragon tail, and then bring your dragon tail. So now, if you're doing this, that's awesome. You're wobbly. That means your body's learning balance. Hold it like this, big belly breath in, and go. Okay, hold on. If you've never had... You've ever wanted to scream. I mean, scream. Like, you know there's rooms that, like, you can break stuff and this and that or whatever. Those are awesome, okay? This is your chance. So I want you to breathe in, and when you do your dragon fire, whatever you're angry at, whatever you're this and that, whatever's been digging at you, just, okay, ready? So you go like this. Stick out your other dragon tongue, bring it in. Stick out your dragon tail, bring it in. Big belly breath in, let it out. Feels good. Okay, now put your feet together, open your knees. I curl up like a little mouse. Breathe in and go squeak, squeak, squeak. Or if you can actually do a mouse noise, breathe in and go. Nice. And I stand up tall like a big, strong house. Everybody show me a mouse. Like this. Good job. And I reach and reach and reach for my toes. Everyone say hi, toes. Hi, toes. Stand up slow. So it's like you're rolling yourself up. Breathe in and show me a happy pose. Yay! And give at least 2 people a high five. Go. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.